Hello everyone. In the field of Hindu studies, what we do not have yet is a set of online free-to-access articles which will give you an overview of a topic without many or any technical terms. The Hinduism section of the St. Andrew's Encyclopedia of Theology seeks to address this gap. My entry on Bhakti in around 11,000 words will be published sometime in August or September. Suppose you say to me, I do not have the time to read all those 11,000 words. If you had to highlight one theme from the many universes of Bhakti, what would that be? For many years now, I have been haunted by a statement from a 16th century song in Braj Bhasha. Here a gopi, a cowherd woman who is presented as an exemplary devotee of God, says to Krishna, "May I see you again so that I can live." Note that the gopi does not say, "May I see you again so that I can get some good things from you." The gopi does not even say, "May I see you again so that I can be happy." Rather, seeing God is the pathway to the rejuvenation of the soul that is withering away. This raging thirst to taste, to savor the presence of God is expressed in the following song from Hankordev, where Krishna speaks to his friend Uddhava. Hare Uddhava Salahu Gokule Lai Oyare Hamu Bine Gopi Oyare Hamu Bine Gopi Hare Hamu Bine Gopi Roti Leke Juga Jai Oyare Hamu Sita Bita Nita Hama Kudiana Oyare Dharala Biyoge Oyare Dharala Biyoge Are Dharala Biyoge Gopi Kathamopi Prana Hare Hamake Ahe Gopi Jiye Hamudai Oyare Bahuri Avara Oyare Bahuri Avara Bahuri Avara Krishna Bheta Bodhunai Hare Kaha Krishna King Kara Hari Ka Bhajaloi Oyare Hari Bine Puri Oyare Hari Bine Puri Hare Dhaban, dhaban.